How to change country in Amazon Prime Video. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to change your country in Amazon Prime Videos. So first of all, just simply open your Prime Video account and just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you have logged in into your Amazon Prime account, all you have to do is just simply click on the profile icon from the top right corner of the screen, and over here just simply click on accounts and settings. And now just simply click on change details and click on edit in Amazon, and you will be landed to the Amazon's official website. And over here just simply enter your password and click on sign in, and a verification code will be sent to your phone number or email address, whatever you have entered in your Amazon account. Simply enter the code right here, and now over here just simply go to your account section from the top of the screen and go to your account, and just simply scroll down, and under the digital content and device section just simply click on content library, and from there just go to the preference section. From the manage your content and device settings, simply click on preferences, and over here you will have the option to change your country or location settings. So just simply tap on it and click on change, and now it says that select your existing address to change your country or residence. To add a new resident, you can click on this, and now you have the option to add a new address in order to change your current one. So just simply enter your details along with your current resident address, your complete address, and the country and location and other details. And once you have entered all these details, just simply click on add address, and your country and your region will be changed in your Amazon Prime Video quite successfully. So this is basically how you will be able to change country in Amazon Prime Video. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.